All right, I want to talk about this red light therapy mask that the brand sent me over a little bit ago to check out. And I've actually been very impressed with this one. I wanted to go over some things you should know before purchasing. One, I have a large head and this feels super comfortable. It's kind of like the silicone material that adjusts to the size of your head. So it moves. And then in the back, you get these two straps, which you can, of course, adjust depending on the size of your head. So it feels very comfortable once it's on. And you can also move around when you have this on because, again, you do get those straps. So I like using this during the day. I like using this at night. So let me take it off, show you a little bit inside, and also show you how this remote works because this is one of my favorite parts. So you go ahead, take it off just like this. And one, you get a lot of lights with this one. I've had many of these that or just red light therapy devices in general that don't have a lot of light. This one actually gives you a lot of different bulbs, lights, the best word, in here. And then you can adjust the brightness levels. Now, the way it works is the cord comes out, of course, from the main device. You plug it into this remote right over here. I'm going to turn it off just to show you. But when you turn it on, it starts on the lowest level. And then you can go up from 1, 2, and 3. I like that because during the day, I like it a little bit brighter. At nighttime, I like it a little bit not as bright. And then you can go through the different modes as well. So of course, this is the red light and the near infrared, which is great for like fine lines, inflammation, smoothing skin texture, which by the way, my skin has been looking really, really nice lately. I'm very happy with it. And then you get the blue light, which is great, especially if you have acne prone skin or acne scars. I used to have really acne prone skin. And this helps with like bacteria and everything like that. So you get the blue light there, and then you also get a combination. So if you are somebody that wants a reduction in inflammation, you also want to target those fine lines, skin texture, and you also have maybe acne prone skin, this is great because you get a mix of the two. Now, also with the remote, you can set the timer, which is great, especially if you are using this at night. You just hit this little T right over here and it'll go from 5, 10 to 15 minutes. Again, it's very customizable depending on how you're using it and the way that you like to use it. And then once you're done, if you don't have the timer set, you just turn it off and you are good to go. It also comes with a really nice, soft case. I will say this thing is super, super soft. This is also really nice for traveling because you don't have to just throw it around in your suitcase or wherever. You can keep it nice and safe in this case. And now the way that it works too is you just attach this remote and then you can charge this with the included charger, which I will say this lasts way longer than I thought it would. I use this multiple nights in a row without needing to recharge it. So it depends on how long you'll use it. If you're using it 15 minutes a day, multiple times a day, obviously it will need to have a little bit more of a charging. But I, for myself personally, 10 minutes at the end of the day. Sometimes I throw in a during daytime use, but for the most part, at night, and I'm good to go. And I, again, over the past few weeks, I've definitely been seeing a lot of improvement. So if you are looking to get into red light, maybe you've tried other red light devices, but you want to try something different, or you know somebody that could use red light, this one is obviously pretty affordable compared to other red light devices. Go ahead, check this one out.